In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount to Xero Invoice. We'll start on your Xero dashboard. To get to the right place, open the main navigation and choose Sales. This is where all your quotes, invoices, and credit notes live. Next, go into Invoices. You'll see your drafts and approved invoices here, but we're creating a new one, so we can apply a discount right on the line item. Click New Invoice. A blank invoice opens. First, pick the customer under Contact. You can type a few letters to search. Make sure the correct contact is selected so their billing details and default email address populate automatically. Set the due date. Use the date picker to match your agreed payment terms, such as 7 or 30 days from the invoice date. Clear due dates help avoid confusion and late payments. Enter a reference. This can be a purchase order number, a job name, or any internal code that helps you and your customer match the invoice to the work performed. Keeping this consistent is useful for reconciliations later. Now add what you're charging for. In the item field, select the relevant product or service. Xero will bring in the description, unit price, account code, and tax rate you've saved for that item. Adjust the quantity or price if needed. To apply the discount, use the disc column on the same line. Type the percentage you want to reduce, such as 10%, and Xero will automatically recalculate the line total. You can enter just the number or include the percent symbol. It will be treated as a percentage of that line. If your invoice has multiple lines, add a discount to each line that should be reduced. Keep an eye on the subtotal, tax, and total at the bottom to confirm everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, choose Approve and Email. Approving finalizes the invoice amount and opens the email composer in one step, so you can send it straight to your customer. In the email window, review the recipient, subject, and message. Add a short note that mentions the discount so the customer knows what changed, and make sure the PDF attachment or online view option is enabled if that's how your customers prefer to receive invoices. Finally, click Send Email. That's it. You've created a Xero invoice, applied a line item discount, approved it, and sent it off. If you need to reuse this setup, you can duplicate a similar invoice next time to save clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.